Okay. It's Elliot. It's in the morning, right? And it's what's today? It's Daddy's Day today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy's Day today.
So, Pearson, are you guys gonna help me bring up Daddy's? Mommy has got up early this morning.
Are these gluten, Mom?
Shh, no, yeah, they're gluten because Dad has them. To wrap Daddy's present.
I will go behind
And
Mom.
Mommy made Daddy a special breakfast of Italian cheese sausages and waffles.
These are gluten.
This is for Dad, okay? Because in Canada, the tradition is that on Mommy's Day and Daddy's Day, you wake up in the morning and you tell the kids that it's a special day for Mommy or Daddy so that they know. And then you make them a nice breakfast so that and give them a kiss on the cheek so that they can relax all day. And that didn't happen for Mommy this year. But two wrongs don't make a right. So
Mom?
we are going to go and give this to Dad. Can you help me?
Yeah,
Can you help me? Pearson,
Yeah.
I need your help. I need your help,
I'll
Pearson.
bring the present.
You want to bring the present?
Yeah.
Pearson, can you help me bring the card for Daddy?
Okay.
Okay? Help me bring the card for Daddy. Here's your card. Okay, go up. Let's bring him his breakfast, okay? Mommy already brought the coffee up.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. We dropped
The shark.
something. Oops. The shark.
You
Okay.
just dropped the shark.
Sorry.
That's okay, Mom.
Okay? And I let Daddy sleep because you're supposed to let Dad sleep on Daddy's Day.
Here.
Happy Daddy's Day. Just like traditions. And made Daddy a nice breakfast in bed.
Dad.
And say Happy Daddy's Day because it's a special.
Elliot. Hi, Pearson.
Right? And Daddy has a special mocha coffee right here
Pearson.
on the side. Mommy brought the mocha coffee earlier. And give Dad a hug. That's nice. Yeah, because they're old enough to understand Mommy's Day and Daddy's Day. Sure. Yep, they understand that quite completely.
I want some food.
And there's the special mocha for Dad with real dark chocolate and special waffles and some Italian cheese sausage. So I'm sure Daddy will enjoy that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Happy Daddy's Day. Bye-bye.